I'm Mr. Rusty with the Institute of Technology. We're working on a typical lineman project today. We're changing out an insulator. It's on a three-phase circuit, 25 kV three-phase circuit. This will be the roadside phase. It'll be a fairly simple, easy job, simple to get to. Now the line's energized. We're training students to go through all the proper procedures to change this insulator. Some of the things we have, they'll have to wear the rubber sleeves, rubber gloves, have to inspect those before they go up. We use some rubber cover-up, line hose, insulator hoods. We're using rubber blankets and a cross-arm guard to help protect against accidental contact. We're also grounding our equipment. We're using equipment ground. Also required we connect this to the best available ground. The best one available here is our system neutral. So we'll carry this up to the system neutral. So you notice if you're watching the video that when they connect this to the system neutral, have to be very careful on the neutral to make sure they don't move it or get it into any other conductors. Be carefully control the wire anytime you move it. So things they have to do when they're working is be sure, like when they're tying and untying the insulator, just keep your elbows up, hands clear, away from other potentials, away from the cross arm or wood pole. When they're applying cover-up, we always work about eye level around this area or lower. That way, if anything happens, we could cause electric arc or anything, we can always get down under it very easily, help get away from it, help minimize our exposure. Okay, change the insulator is very common. We always want to position when we're working out of the bucket away from any other potentials. If you're covering energized phase, we'll move away from the pole as far as possible, avoid contact, and the only time it'll be up there is when that's your work area. Now for a work tag, normally we'll call in our system operators, and they may often be able to put our lines on one shot or system. If not, we may have to manually do this in the field. It's a three-phase recloser panel. We may have a non-reclose switch. Basically all we do is switch it here. This gives us a lot more protection, reduces our exposure time in case of accident. That helps protect us. We'll close this and lock it up till the job's finished. All right. Now we're tying and untying on the energized phase. We need to do a couple things to keep our arms, our body clear from any other potentials. Like this was a phase, this wood pole that's considered ground, pole top pin, anything here around us is another potential. We don't want to go across two of them at one time. We want to avoid that. So when we're untying, basically you want to keep the ends of this wire, since it's also energized, rolled up, keep it small. So keep it well away from any other contact with anything else. Of course, normally we'd have cover up on our lines, also help protect us. And as we roll it up, we can unwrap our tie. We can also roll it up. If you want to roll it up, keep the ends short. You can also cut it if you need to, help keep it clear. Avoid trying to reach directly under the wire. And we can generally roll this under rather than reaching underneath close to the pole. We can roll our tie under, grab a hold of it. Now the last part, we want to be very careful. Have it unwrapped. Unwrap our last little part here. Hold it up. Then carefully bring our tie wire out away from the energized area. Okay. With that one done, we'll start with our new tie. We bring our new tie in. Very carefully bring it down. One thing we want to do is when we're tying, we have our ties looped, rolled up very nicely. We can reach a thumb or a couple of fingers inside of it.